Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to easily download voice messages from Messenger, but only in PC. First, open Facebook on your PC and locate the Messenger icon at the top right corner here. Click on it. This will take you to the Messenger and open the chat where as voice chat is present. Here on the voice chat, right click the mouse and click inspect. Here, after clicking the inspect, this will open the inspect element panel on the right side of your screen like this. Now switch to the network tab. Here's the network. Click on it. Play the voice message from here and you should see the file appear here. The file should appear like this in the network activity list. Then find the voice message file in the list and click on it. Click on the three dots next to the file and select download. Now your voice message will be saved to your devices. That's how you download a voice message from Messenger. If this video was helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.